In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Airtable on a website. We'll walk through the full process, from choosing the right base and view, all the way to grabbing the embed code you'll paste into your site. By the end, you'll have an interactive Airtable table, calendar, or gallery living directly on your web page. First, open your Airtable dashboard in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll see a list of all your workspaces and bases, which are basically your different databases or projects. Next, click on the base that you want to embed on your website. This could be anything: a content calendar, a product catalog, a simple contact list, or any other base you've set up. Make sure you choose the one that you actually want visitors to see, because that's what we're going to share. Once the base is open, make sure you're in the specific view you want to embed. Airtable bases can have multiple views, such as grid, calendar, gallery, or form, and each view can show different fields or filters. The embed will reflect exactly what this view shows, so double check things like filters, sorting, and which fields are visible before you continue. Now, look for the share option near the top of the screen and click on it. This opens a panel with different sharing options. From there, choose Share to Web. This is the setting that allows your view to be shared publicly and embedded on other sites. In the Share to Web panel, you'll see a toggle to enable sharing. Click on that toggle to turn Share to Web on. Once it's enabled, Airtable will generate a public version of this view that can be embedded anywhere. Take a moment here to quickly scan any options that might control whether viewers can copy data or see record details, and adjust them according to your privacy needs. After that, click on Embed this base. This opens up a dedicated embed configuration area. Here, Airtable will show you an embed code and some customization options, such as size and layout. When you're ready, click on Copy Embed Code. This copies a block of HTML to your clipboard, which you can paste into your website builder or directly into your site's HTML. Just below the embed code, you'll also see a live preview of how your embedded base will look on both desktop and mobile. Use this preview to confirm that everything appears clearly and is easy to navigate before you add it.